Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 2841 Lynhurst. MSD was out here. They got a sinkhole in the side of their house out here. MSD came out and checked their line. They said they did a dye test and said he was leaking in his line. And here we are at the sinkhole. I'll show you this line's collapsed down here. I got water running in the bathtub to show you water coming from the house. I'm afraid to put my camera in the pipe because it's collapsed. And we got probably about a 5-6 foot hole here. It's getting pretty big. I'm going to show you here in just a second. So here, right here is where gutter line's cutting in at there. The gutter line comes down and ties in. As you see right here, this is where the house is coming at to the right there. And then it comes out to the left here to this pipe where you see it's totally disconnected, not even together. Water's just been running. Every time they flush the toilet, it just runs down this hole here and goes underneath the pipe there. Definitely going to recommend this to be repaired. As you see, it's just all gone here. Yep, definitely recommend this to repair, and the remainder of the line inspected if necessary and cabled if necessary also. We're looking about 6 feet deep here, so as you see, it's a pretty big hole. And the main hole's down here at the corner. The main's running down by the fence line right here. And yep, like I said, definitely going to recommend that to be repaired. Thank you.